box.
No, we're going to have the one first. We're going to show the side. We're going to do basic. We're going to go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So leaders, after the basic, we got this here. We got this quick in place right behind you, in place, step back. That redirects the follower comes forward, and she's outside the partner me at this point. We're going to go quick, quick, and we're going to lower it into the step.
So that we're nice and balanced.
Ronde, slow. There's no weight transfer on that slow. Because we're going to go quick, quick, slow,
Outie.
turn, quick, quick, step that side, slow.
Yep. Followers, real quick, if you want to do a ronde, a high ronde, that needs to be really all completely your own. The leader's going to do the momentum, but you are doing all of the legwork. Okay.
Wow.
I know, right? Now we're going to do a pinwheel into a box with a sliding door. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, hold, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Sorry, there was a hold there. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. I'll explain as we go through. So leaders are doing all the holding, followers we're keeping the same timing the whole time. So we already did this pinwheel in level 1, blah, blah, blah.
Here, leaders, left foot back. We're going to go quick, quick. And you're going to hold this low. I'm going to bring my right forearm, then my partner forward. We're letting go. We're going to pick our partner back up. For us, quick, rotate, quick, side for slow. Go back, rotate, rotate, side for slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. From here. There. Lead your partner for the first quick. I don't move. I'm holding. Take the second quick. Set the side slow.
Big tango.
We're going to go quick, quick, slow. Raise the hand, gearing, turn to fall apart. We're going to travel down. Quick, quick, side for slow.
Yeah. The most crucial part of this box is twofold. The first one is that we maintain contact here. The shape that we are in does not change. We are always with the same positioning to our partner as we go around in that box. We can anchor, ladies, we can anchor our elbow to the leader's chest if we need a little bit more stability, but that is not necessary, and eventually you would want to get that off of his chest and out here. The second thing is that we only rotate on the quicks. We always step to the side on slow. Sorry, mother foot. Quick, quick, side on slow. 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 Awesome, that is it. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.